Welcome back, nature enthusiasts. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey into the heart of the Amazon forest. Get ready to uncover some incredible secrets about this lush ecosystem. I'm your friend, and this is Exploring the Amazon Forest, 5 fascinating facts. Let's dive right in. Did you know that the Amazon forest is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth? It's home to millions of species, many of which are still undiscovered. From colorful birds and unique mammals to countless insect species, this vibrant forest is a true treasure trove of biodiversity. The Amazon River, the lifeline of the forest, is another mind-blowing aspect of this ecosystem. It spans over 6,400 kilometers, 4,000 miles, making it the largest river system in the world. Its waters are home to an array of aquatic creatures and provide sustenance for the surrounding flora and fauna. Hidden within the depths of the Amazon, you'll find an incredible array of medicinal plants used by indigenous communities for centuries. The forest's rich biodiversity has given rise to numerous natural remedies that are now being studied by scientists worldwide. These plants hold the potential to revolutionize modern medicine. Sadly, the Amazon forest faces several threats, including deforestation, illegal logging, and climate change. Deforestation alone is a major concern, as it poses a threat to both wildlife and indigenous communities. However, conservation efforts are underway to protect this invaluable ecosystem and promote sustainable practices. One cannot truly understand the Amazon forest without acknowledging the rich cultural heritage of the indigenous communities that have lived here for centuries. These communities possess deep knowledge of the forest, its plants, and its creatures. They have a profound connection with nature, emphasizing the importance of preserving this fragile ecosystem. That's a wrap on our exploration of the Amazon forest's fascinating facts. We've only scratched the surface of this incredible ecosystem. Remember, it's crucial that we all play a role in protecting and conserving this invaluable treasure for future generations. Stay tuned for more exciting nature adventures. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.